Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Muhammad Umar. I'm your English instructor. I hope all of you are fine and enjoying a good health. Here we have bridging. I hope you have solved it, and here is the answer of that bridging. Today we have LIFFT number 46, and the learning outcome is recall the use of coordinating and subordinating conjunctions. What are the function of a conjunction? Conjunctions act as a connector because it connects ideas, words or phrases. It works as a glue. A conjunction is a word that joins other words, phrases or clauses together. Without these, our writing looks confusing. They build bridges between ideas to make your writing clear and meaningful. Here we have two types of conjunctions. First, coordinating conjunction, which join two words, two phrases or two clauses which are of equal weightage. And secondly, we have subordinating conjunction. Here we join a dependent clause with an independent clause. First, we have to talk about coordinating conjunction. As I told you earlier, this is used to join equal weightage grammatical elements. They connect word with a word, phrase with a phrase or a clause with a clause. Both sides of the sentence remain grammatically the same and equal in importance. Here we have acronym FAN, voice, and each alphabet is taken from each word and make an acronym to make it easy to remember these coordinating conjunctions. F stand for, A stand for and, N stand for nor, but, B stand for but, O stand for or, Y stand for yet, S stand for result. Here we have an example. I like tea and coffee. And here is a coordinating conjunction and it is joining two words, tea and coffee. She was tired but happy. Similarly, here again we have but as a coordinating conjunction because it is joining two words. Lastly, we have example of a clause. He studied hard, so he passed the test. Both are clauses, both are conveying complete sense. We join these ideas or these clauses with so. Secondly, we have subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction helps to join independent clause with dependent clause. One part becomes less important and entirely relies on the main clause to make sense. These connectors explain how, when, why or where of the main action. Here we have some subordinating conjunction which are used for time and place. Because, since, as, so, that, used for reason or purpose. For condition we use if, unless. For contrast we use although, whereas, even though. Here we have an example. After completing their education, students think about their future. If you look at the first part of a sentence, it is dependent for their complete meaning on independent clause. And there is an important thing. We add comma after dependent clause. Although life is competitive, one should not lose hope. If you work hard, you can succeed in life. If you look at the first part of the sentence, which is dependent clause, and these dependent clause are depending on independent clause for its complete meaning. Okay, bachcho, here is your formative check. Solve it in your class. Here's your workbook activity which you have to do in your class as well. Here's your homework. Do it at your home. I hope this lecture will be helpful for you and you will enjoy doing these activities at school or at home. Okay, bachcho, Allah Hafiz.